There were two types of kuffar. One was people of the books, and one was mushrikeen. Mushrikeen had no idea who their God was, who created them. They had no idea what their purpose in this world was. They did not know what to worship, what not to worship. They had created more number of gods that they considered to be worthy of worship more than their own population. Maybe their population was in thousands, but their number of gods were maybe millions. People would carry stones and idols in their pockets. Think about this, carrying their gods in their pockets. What if on the way we feel like worshiping, and where are we going to find our gods? If there was some shiny stone that they would find on their way that they liked more than the one in their pocket, they would throw their god from the pocket out and pick up the new god. So these were lost people. You could not. What can you imagine? What can you expect from these type of people? But on the other hand, there were Ahle Kitab, where there were Christians, and they were more religious Christians than what they are today. There were Jews. Those Jews were more learned and more disciplined than what they are today. But these nations were not able to bring the solution to this nation. They were not able to provide a solution to this problem, civilization. That problem that existed in that time, there was no solution with these religions. Isa alayhi salam was not able to provide any solution for this time. Musa alayhi salam and his Sharia Torah was not enough to bring peace. If that many years ago they were unable and incapable, why do we think they are going to be of any use today? The irony of this time is people blame Islam to be backwards and being unable to provide solution to today's problem. And they think that there is a path, there is a light, there is a chance, there is options in Christianity and Judaism. There is none. If there were, they had a time when there was no other religions but them. They were not able to provide any solution. They were not able to provide peace. They were not able to provide love. They were not able to eliminate the terrorism of the time. They were not able to resolve the disputes. They were not able to solve any type of violence that existed back in the days. So why do we think they have only gotten worse? They have only gone so far away from their doctrine. So why do we think today they would have any solutions?
वीडियो के नीचे सब्सक्राइब के बटन पे क्लिक करें, बेल के आइकॉन पे क्लिक कीजिए ताकि हर नई वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाए।